Welcome to the world of seamless document or website digital interaction. Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking capabilities of an AI app that's changing how we engage with digital content. Introducing the future of intelligent conversations. Imagine an AI that can understand and converse with any website or document, regardless of complexity or language. That's exactly what this app offers. From intricate legal documents to advanced scientific papers, theology, books, or journals, our AI makes comprehension effortless. Language barriers? A thing of the past. Our AI app fluently interacts in multiple languages, offering translations and interpretations, making global information accessible to everyone, everywhere. But how does it work? Through cutting-edge AI technology, our app analyzes context, deciphers jargon, and provides intelligent conversational responses. Ask it thousands of questions, and it'll provide not just answers, but insights. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, the app's intuitive interface is for anyone that reads. It makes conversational document or website interaction and navigation a breeze. Engage with any document or any websites like never before. Question, learn, and discover, all through a simple conversation. This AI app is made for everyone, ready to transform the way you interact with any document, website, or any digital content. Join us at the forefront of conversational AI technology. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey towards effortless understanding. The future of intelligent conversation starts here.